Mwiriwe mwese. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my Kinyarwanda channel. I'm Denise, your Kinyarwanda teacher. A teacher of Ikinyarwanda. Please repeat. Ikinyarwanda. In today's video, we are going to look at the answers of the questions that we have already studied. We have 5 questions and we are going to look at 5 answers. Question number 1. Witwande. Witwande. Nitwa Denise. Nitwa Denise. Please repeat. Nitwa and put your name. Nitwa. What is your name? My name is Denise. Question number 2. Uturukahe. Uturukahe. Nuruka Inyamasheke. When you read, you put these together. And also, you don't pronounce the T. Instead of T, when there is N before, you pronounce as if there is H sound. So it is Nhu, Nhu, Nhuruka, Nhuruka. And put together, Nurukinyamasheke. Nurukinyamasheke. Che. K-E. Che. Inyamasheke. I come from Nyamasheke. Nhuruka. You can put the place where you're from. Nhuruka. Question number 3. Ukorahe. Ukorahe. Nkora muri Denza. NK. K is also not pronounced. It's not hard K, it's soft K. So you say Nkora. Nkora. Nkora muri Denza. I work at Denza. Can you repeat? Nkora. And you put the place where you work. Nkora. Question number 4. Ukorichi. Ukorichi. Ndumwarimu. You have 2 words, but when you pronounce, you put them together. Ndumwarimu. Ndi means I am. So you can say Ndi and you put the job title. Ndumwarimu. I am a teacher. Question number 5. Utuyehe. Utuyehe. Nuye Kuchimisagara. NT, remember, is N. This is H sound instead of T. You read Nhuye. Nhuye Kuchimisagara. I live in Chimisagara. Nhuye. You can repeat and put the place. Nhuye. Let's practice again. Nitwa Denise. Nhuruka Inyamasheke. Nhuruki Inyamasheke. Nkora muri Denza. Ndumwarimu. Ntuye ku Kimisagara. Now you can introduce yourself. With this sample question and answers, you can make your self-introduction. Here is my introduction. Muraho, nitwa Denise, nturuka Nyamasheke, nkora muri Denza, ndi umwarimu, ntuye ku Kimisagara. Murakoze cyane. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment. And next time, we are going to continue our practice of Kinyarwanda conversation. Welcome every time. See you next time. Umugoroba mwiza. Have a good evening. Bye bye.